Okay, so this is the continuation of the question on current electricity. Okay. The C aspect of the question reads: Miss Aduabrefa cooks rice and prepares tea twice a week. She cooks rice and prepares tea twice a week. If her rice cooker and her kettle are rated 1,200 watts and 800 watts respectively, okay, 1,200 and 800 watts respectively, how much will she pay at the end of the month if the cost of 1 kilowatt hour of electricity is 1.20 Ghana cedi, 1.20 or 1.2 Ghana cedi, given that it takes 30 minutes to cook rice and 5 minutes to boil water. I take the question again. Ms. Aduabrefa cooks rice and prepares tea twice a week. If her rice cooker and her kettle are rated 1,200 watts and 800 watts respectively, how much will she pay at the end of the month if the cost of 1 kilowatt hour of electricity is 1.20 Ghana cedi or 1.2 Ghana cedi, given that it takes 30 minutes to cook rice and 5 minutes to boil water? So this is a problem. Okay, I'll look at it as the problem of the day. So how do we determine, how much she will pay within the month, as she does this within weekly and all that? Okay, so that's the next problem we are going to. So what we have to first and foremost put down has to be, what is the power consumption, power rating of kettle or of rice cooker. We are told is equal to 1,200 watts. So power rating of the kettle is also 800 watts. Let us first change this to kilowatts. Why are we changing it to kilowatts? Because our current, the charge is in 1 kilowatt hour has the charge 1.2 or 1.20 Ghana cedi, and so we have to change the power rating from watts to kilowatts. Okay, so that's the more reason why we are effecting these changes. So divided by 1,000, okay, gives us 1.2 kilowatts, divided by 1,000 gives us 0.8 kilowatts. So important. All right, so let's then calculate, since energy consumed is equal to power rating of the device times the time taken. Okay, let's determine the energy consumed by the cooker, the rice cooker. Per week. So within 1 week, what is the energy consumed? So the energy consumed by the cooker per week becomes the power rating of the cooker, which is 1.2 by the time taken. Okay, she takes 30 minutes to cook rice. So T is equal to 30 minutes. And she does this, so we have to convert 30 minutes to hour, since the power rating or tariffing is kilowatt hour. So we have to change the time from minutes to hours. And this is equal to half of an hour. But she does this twice within the week. So times 2, giving us 1 hour. She does this twice, so this times 1 hour. So we have 1.2 kilowatt 1.2 kilowatt times 1 hour. So the energy consumed within the week is 1.2 kilowatt hour. So within the month, the energy consumed by the rice cooker, energy consumed energy consumed a month must be 4 times the energy consumed within the week. Okay, so we have 4 times 1.2 kilowatt hour, and in total we have 4.8 kilowatt hour energy consumed by the rice cooker. So let's look at energy consumed by the kettle. Energy consumed by the kettle. We have the kettle's power rating, which is 800 watts. So 0.8 kilowatts times the time. She used 5 minutes to boil water. So 5 by 60 in hours, and she does this twice within the week, times 2. Okay, so we have 0.8 by 1 on 12 by 2. So when we calculate this, we have 0.8 on 6, giving us 2 on 15. So 2 on 15 kilowatt hour energy consumed by the kettle. I just expressed it as such because I don't want to be writing it in the long decimal figure. Therefore, total energy, this is per for 1 week. So energy consumed in a month must be 4 times this value, and this is 8 on 15 kilowatts hour energy consumed. 8 on 15 kilowatt hour energy consumed by the kettle. Therefore, total energy consumed by the 2 so total energy consumed within the month equals the energy consumed by the kettle within a month, which is 48 on 10 plus the energy consumed by the rice. Okay, this is for the kettle, this is for the rice cooker, and this is for the kettle. 8 on 15. So when you total everything, it on 15, this plus 4.8, we have a total of 16 on 3 kilowatt hour. Okay, so if she is to be billed, then is the total energy cost will be the total energy consumed times the cost of 1 kilowatt hour energy, which is 1.2. So cost therefore is equal to 16 on 3 by 1.2. Okay, so this times 1.2, meaning within the month she has to pay 6 cedis and 40 pesos, so 6.4. Okay, so therefore Miss Edu Abrifa therefore pays 6 cedis 40 pesos within the month. That will be her bill. Okay, within the month for using both the rice cooker and then the heater. Alright. So this is the solution to the questions sent to me by the concerned students. Alright, so thank you so much for your time. Please, I need your subscription, your sharing, your likes, and perhaps dislikes. Okay, and then your comments. Your comments would help me improve upon this thing that I'm doing, so as to help both of us. Okay, thank you so much once again for your time, and bye bye.